No.
That would be good, because that would wrap all the way around the car.
That was quite a traumatic experience, really, wasn't it?
Good morning. Woken up. I had a buck show last night. Not too hungover because it's Chelsea's birthday. Whoop whoop, whoop whoop.
And we're starting the day with an exciting drive to Murray Bridge.
Yeah, we're heading to the bridge. We're going to go have a talk to a guy about getting some drawers made for the canopy. Yeah, it should be really good. And Chelsea's got her presents yet to come.
Ooh.
Oh, what's she got? What's she got?
I've been told one's still in the post.
Maybe.
Maybe. Oh.
Alrighty, I may have lied. It's here.
I wanted this chair for ages. Well, I assume it's a chair.
Yeah, well, you don't know it's a chair yet.
Can't, this might take me a while.
Because we spend so much time in our camp chairs, Chelsea wanted a good one for her birthday, so check this bad boy
Makes
out.
me nervous, like it's going to collapse if I haven't put it on.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's good.
Looking good.
And to your left, there is a rock that's painted like a polar bear. Did you think you're in the car with David Attenborough then?
Yeah, that was great. That was fantastic. The amount of times we've driven up here and gone past that polar bear, it's always painted something different. Normally they paint it for like different sporting colours, whoever wins the grand final and different bits. So.
And it always makes me wonder how many layers of paint are on this one rock.
Yeah, I don't reckon anyone's put paint stripper on it. It's just painted over and over and over.
So we're just coming into Murray Bridge. We're about to cross the big bridge here. And wow, the water is high.
Yeah.
We've never seen it this high before.
That's crazy. I guess that's why they built the bridge so big, because when it floods, it floods. So that's the second part of Chelsea's birthday already done. We've put a deposit on some canopy drawers. Yeah,
yay!
Lucky you. Look at the presents you're getting. Yeah, so he was really good. He was really friendly. He's going to sort out a couple of drawers for us. We priced up materials and I planned it, and I was working out how we were going to do it, and it was just going to work out too expensive for me to do, and finding the time with working full-time as well made it a little bit harder. So
yeah, so we're hoping they turn out good. We have seen some examples. Some of our friends have them from this guy. He seems very professional, and yeah, so we're putting all of our trust in him. 2 or 3 weeks time, should have some canopy drawers.
next stop, a winery. Somewhere Chelsea can get a couple of drinks in.
Yeah, so we're going to Ulibarri Wines this afternoon just for a couple of drinks and maybe get, pizza or something. I'm really craving this mushroom pizza that was amazing last time I was there. Hopefully it still lives up to my expectations.
After revealing the car, we are after some recommendations on the name for it. So last one was Terry the Triton, so chuck us in the comments some suggestions for names.
And do you know what Bryce's suggestion is?
Rochelle the Ranger.
I mean, it's kind of funky, but it's also like, it's a bit of a Karen name.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, sorry to all the Rochelles out there and the Karens.
And we are all ready to head to the winery. Check out Chelsea. Looking good, do a spin. Woo!
We've got Bryce's wallet.
Yeah.
Take his money. Take his money.
There's no money in there. Alrighty, now the fun of Chelsea's birthday is over. She's put me back to work. So today we're sorting out all the wiring in the canopy. I'm chucking up some lights. These are some nice white and amber lights. And then we're going to get stuck into wiring up a panel that comes up on the side here. Excuse the mess in the canopy at the moment. We're still working on bits. The wood is definitely not here to stay. That was just like a tester piece to see how it's all going to fit. And yeah, the fun begins. This is the board that we're working on. Just laying it out sort of so you can see where everything's going to be. We've got the inverter, DC-DC charger, light switches, fuse panel, and of course the battery monitor. So we're going to start putting things on here and hopefully make it all look nice and pretty and yeah, fantastic. So we've had a massive day. We've probably put maybe 8 hours into doing the board. Canopy's still a mess, but that's all right. The board's taking shape, starting to look really good.
So the board's gonna go just up here in the car.
We're still gonna have 1000 watt inverter. We're gonna have all the 12 volt charging and bits and pieces, and yeah, really excited to see it all come together. And some fancy lights.
This morning I'm out in the Adelaide Hills in a little town called Gumaraka. We're at a place called the Big Rocking Horse, and I've come out with my sister and my niece. So we've got a bit of a wildlife park here and then a very big rocking horse. There she is, the Big Rocking Horse. I haven't been here since I was a kid and it literally looks exactly the same. I think they've got a cafe here, wildlife park, Big Rocking Horse, and then a toy shop. So there's quite a lot to see. The biggest rocking horse in the world. So we're just about to go into the animal park and then we realised that Aubrey had a muesli bar in her hand. So I don't think that would be a very good idea with all the kangaroos and that around. Quick, eat your muesli bar. I don't know if this is a good idea. Oh, they're all falling. Oh god. Try not to freak out for Aubrey's sake.
I like your tails.
No, trying to be the cool auntie.
Maybe this was a bad idea.
Oh god, mother ducks a bit. Ah! Watch your toes. Ah!
Never toes.
Take the food.
For two people that don't like ducks and animals like this, this was a bad idea.
Alright, wait. Oh, wait. Ah!
Surrounding us.
I don't want to rub one over.
Aubrey thinks it's funny.
Alright, let's go. Go. This wildlife park would be so much better if these little ducks didn't follow us the whole way around. We lost the big mothers.
Now we got these little ones. They look cute, but it's quite deceiving. You got all your toes still, Aubrey? Got all your toes?
Right, you go out the gate and I'll dump the rest of the food.
Uh-oh. Okay, that's enough.
Oh, that's quite a traumatic experience, really. Don't come here if you're scared of ducks.
Check this out, it's finally in. It's all in, done and finished. Only probably took about 12 hours with me and Gary doing it, but voila, come up an absolute treat. I'll get out of the way so you can see it all finished.
Your world brass is coming for your job.
Hey, no, I'm not that good. I've still got to get rid of all the fingerprints and the handprints. So she's not quite finished, but it's nearly there.
You just can't get over it, can you, bro?
Yeah, I'm just going to sit here and drink beer and look at it. It just looks so good. We have spent a lot of time doing it, and yeah, it's nice having an electrician that sort of knows what he's doing.
Last night, Bryce and I drove out to Murray Bridge to pick up the drawers that we had made. So they only took us about 2 weeks, which was really good. A really nice man called Wen Long made them for us. I will put all his details in the description below the video, so if you are in South Australia, you need anything done, he is your man. Bryce and his dad are currently installing them, so they're down in the shed, putting in the drawers. Thankfully, all the measurements were correct and they have fit perfectly, because that was our biggest worry, that something was going to be off and yeah, the whole thing would have got thrown out.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye.
Check this out. It's all installed. And it's a stomper of a drawer too. And I reckon if we really tried, we could get you in there.
You reckon?
I reckon. Curl up in there and hop in. You
Get
fit
you in
pretty
there?
easy. Yeah, oh, you fit my leg in there. It's about all I'm getting in there.
That's really good. So this side of the car is Bryce's like tools, predominantly anyway.
Yeah.
But that's a big drawer. That's like double the size
Oh
of
no,
the
I'm
one last
not
time.
filling that with tools. It might be like half full with tools. I don't know.
Okay. We might need to get like
Yeah.
a divider.
Divider, like
My side,
his
your
and
side.
hers.
Yeah. And then the other side,
We
you
can
give
put
us a
all
tool.
your tools in there, like your frying pan and
Spatulas.
spatulas, because you should be cooking
Some
some chopping boards to make some sandwiches.
Alright,
might
good. And
trigger
show
some
show us
people.
the other side.
And this is the other side. So I spent the morning with my dad helping me, give me a hand put these all together, and it's come up really well.
Wow. I hadn't seen it actually come out all the way.
Look how big this drawer is.
Shit.
The whole thing comes out
Oh my
so far.
God.
And just a warning, Chelsea, if I see you with all this the whole way out and you're hanging off the end of it, you're going to get a smack bum.
Okay.
Alrighty, next thing now is to put the awning on. It only just clears my parents' garage, and we've been keeping the car in here for half the time when we're not using it. But as soon as we get the suspension done, it's going to be out there.
Yeah, it's going to be living out in the elements.
Oh.
It's a bit sad, isn't it? It's actually nice having it in the carport here and just never gets driven. It just sits here and we just look at it. We just come and sit in it every now and then, go, oh, how good's it going to be travelling with this thing?
I'm too scared to take it out.
Yeah, you're a wuss though. We got these plates from Norweld as well, because they've thought of absolutely everything. Yeah, they go up here and then our awning mounts to that. Should look really good.
Hi.
Oh, hi. Fancy seeing you here. I haven't got small enough hands for this.
Do you want me to help?
Nah, I got it. I'll sort it out.
Awning is on. Nice.
On and done.
So this is the awning that we took off of the Triton.
Yeah, but it's got a new bag. Looking fresh.
This is a Bushwhacker 360? No.
That would be good, because that would run all the way around the car.
Oh, that was a bit dumb, wasn't it? What is it?
270. I
270.
mean, close enough. You're only 90 off, so that's alright.
Gonna edit that one out.
Thanks for watching. We hope you are enjoying seeing a little bit about our lives back in South Australia while we are home visiting family. We will be heading off full time in a few weeks, but for now we will continue to film the canopy build. We've got quite a bit of stuff to do there, and then also organise the suspension. If you're enjoying them, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in a couple of weeks' time.